3 monitors right here and my laptop. These are 1080p monitors at 24 inches, and you got portable monitor right here. All these monitors are great, but I built this up over the years, and now it's time for an upgrade. This is my new 32-inch 4K monitor with an ergonomic stand that's going to replace all of these monitors back here. Boom! Monitors are gone. Now, let's unbox. Here's a new one right there. Boom, boom. Oh yeah, mounting hardware and cables, and the ergonomic stand is half of the reason why I'm so excited about this monitor, because this stand is incredible. And of course, underneath here, we have the monitor. Boom, there it is. This is the 32-inch monitor, and notice that it's not an ultra wide, it's a regular, normal 19:6 screen, and I love it. It looks so good, so good. Let's take a look at the hardware. So what we're gonna do right here is attach a clamp to the table, and then attach a monitor onto the ergonomic arm, and then we'll open this up for cable management, and that's it. Boom, boom, there we go. This is what attaches to the monitor. Oh yeah. And this is the ball bearing that allows the monitor to have a lot of flexibility. Now this one is really heavy duty, so once you have the monitor on, it will weigh it down so that you can actually move the ball bearing. Right now, it's just very heavy, so I'm not even gonna try to move the ball bearing. The rest of the arm here, oh, that's a nice finish. Oh, it's a metal mount. There we go. Oh, this is the part that attaches to your desk, and they already have the screws already pre-installed, so there's no hardware you need to attach this. All you do is you're gonna clamp it to your desk and you're good to go. On further inspection, we noticed that the screws are pre-attached to this mounted position. This is great if your desk is about this much thickness or a little bit thicker. Now, if it is thinner desk, you're gonna need to open up these bolts and slide this piece up. So we're gonna use a screwdriver and move everything up 1 notch. So we're gonna take out these 4 bolts, and we got 2 more. There we go, and 1 more. And we're gonna slide this bracket down to this position over here. And we'll tighten it up. Crisscross pattern here, and this one over here. All right, now you see the difference. The clamp allows for a much thinner desk, which is perfect for us. So as you can see, our desk is relatively thin, and this gap right here will be perfect. All right, slide it in. There we go. And now we can tighten it up from the bottom. Right here, we can tighten it up now. As you can see right there, this is gonna push against our desk, and it gets good leverage. Perfect. And now this thing is solid. Last step is just to put the monitor onto the stand. So this is the back of the monitor. As you see, we have these 2 slots, and these 2 are gonna ride right on top of here, and then you're gonna push down and clamp it on this. This is how you release it to open it up. As you can see, this is the mechanism right here that you pull to release this. And of course, you have your ports over here. That's your USB-C upstream that's gonna connect to your computer. 1 cable will connect to your display and give it 60 watt of power delivery. You have display port in. You also have 2 HDMI. You also have 2 USB ports, headphone port, and your power adapter input to power the monitor. All right, here's the monitor. So we're gonna put the top down first. Right there, top is down, and the bottom is gonna latch in just like that. So super easy, and now that the monitor's on, we can swing it around. Look at that beautiful display. And now, can we move the angle? Yes. Oh wow, you have so much flexibility. Wow, this is so easy to move around, and you can convert it to a vertical display just like this. Super easy. Wow, this is a very nice ergonomic arm, and you can see how it works. You can also lift the monitor or lower the monitor like this. Wow, that's so cool. So now you have a monitor a little bit lower. When it's low like this, you can't flip it to the vertical orientation, but that's fine because you can lift the monitor up and then move it like this, and you can lower it back to the bottom if you wanted to. It's so nice. Wow, this is such a flexible monitor. There we go. Now the monitor's installed, and all we need to do is plug in that 1 cable to connect to our laptop and another cable to power it, and we're good. We have all the accessories and goodies. Here we go. So here's a mount that if you do not have a place to mount this, you can choose to actually bolt this down to your desk, and you can bolt it down like this. And this is also a very solid installation, but this will require you to drill holes in your desk, and sometimes that might be a solution that works for you. I like to clamp it because it's a very sturdy clamp, and it works for me because I can take it out when I need to. I can move the monitor without a problem. This one is more of a permanent installation, but it works too. Boom! Here's a power cord extension cable. Boom! You got your USB-C to USB-C cable. Boom! You got your HDMI to HDMI cable. Boom! You got your power cord, boom. And last but not least, you got your power adapter. And this one is a beefy power adapter. This one is going to be your 210 watt power adapter. We got 3 cables that are specific for this installation because they have these notches. Very important. I'm not going to use the HDMI. I'm just going to use USB-C, so I will not be installing this one. Back here, we have really good cable management. All you gotta do is to pop the lid and slide this piece up. There's a hole right here, but what you want to pop is on this side. On here, just push this up and it will pop up just like that. Take this one piece out, and then you also have the slider. You see how the wire is coming out here? So go ahead and slide this up for now. This is where you're going to route the wire. This is the USB-C cable. Boom. And the short end of this has this stub right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to route this wire up over here. Bring that wire up. And then this little stopper is going to go right in between here. So that way, the wires will not get tugged. See? That's why they have the stopper. And this is perfect. So this is the USB-C cable. And here's the power cable. Same deal. Go ahead and connect this right in here. And then run the cable through here. And go back up here. And get the cable right inside. And again, that little stopper right here prevents the cable from getting tugged. I like it. So once the cables are installed, you can go ahead and route the wires down here. And on this side, you see how the cables go inside this little tubing and comes out right down here. Very clean. That's when you slide this piece back down from the top. Slide this one down here, and that will keep your cable nicely tucked away. And you see down here, you have the opening. Boom. That looks so clean. And on top, you have your little lid that will close this piece and allow the cable to run through this little hole right there. So now the cable runs through the hole right there, and it looks very clean back here. So you might wonder why the cable is a little bit loose. And this is perfect because it's designed in a way now I can rotate the monitor and not have to worry about the cables getting in the way. Perfect, right? And I can rotate it back like so. And there we go. So next is your power adapter. So this power adapter will connect to the end of this cable that we had already ran. So this power adapter will connect here, solid. And then we have this cable, nice long cable. Here's your power cord that will connect to our power adapter, like so. And this will plug into the wall. And this other cable plugs into our laptop. That's it, just power and USB-C. And this USB-C will also power our laptop with 60 watt power delivery too. Sweet! It's got good cable length, so I can put this on the floor. So then we're going to go ahead and plug this into our outlet, like that. Here's the USB-C that's going to connect to our laptop, like so. Boom! Wow, you can change the angle, look at that. That's nice. Okay, you have the controls over here. We're going to tap that. That controls the power. We can move it left or right. We can change the input and control up and down. Let's go ahead and select USB-C. Push the button again to select USB-C, and this should make it connect to USB-C. So let's go ahead and turn on our laptop again, and 3, 2, 1, voila! Look at that beautiful display. You can see it's a little bit tilted. That's because this one has the freedom of rotate. Make sure to use supply cable. Yes, we did. So let's go ahead and say do not display this message again. Perfect. So there we go. Our monitor's installed, and you can see how nice it is. It's a simple setup with one monitor, and I have room for my laptop down here. If I want to, I can lower it so it's perfect. Just like that, so I can just really have an immersive working experience. This is really beautiful. This is an IPS screen, so it's great at any viewing angle. And because it's so wide, that's important because I can look up close right here and my colors on right and left will be just perfect still. And of course, I can move this forward as much as this. I can move it back as far as this because you see how the arm right here allows all that movement. And of course, this arm allows it to easily rotate too. So look at this. I can lift it up. I can rotate this, and this is one of the best productivity solution. It needs to rotate. So what we do is we go to our display setting, and we can rotate this to 270 degrees, and voila. Now it's perfect. For example, if you have a document like this with a bunch of numbers, this is going to be perfect. So you can see right here, we have very tall area. Perfect for if you have a long spreadsheet or a long Word document. this is what I've been looking for, and the ability to convert this to a normal display so I can watch movies, play video games, or do other things when I want to is perfect, right? So I can easily go back and switch this and convert this to the standard, and just like that, now I'm back to normal standard, and we can see this one I can move to the side. I can have another web browser. So amazing, amazing monitor. So there we go. This one is the 32-inch 4K display with the ergonomic arm. This thing is a beautiful display, not too big, but just big enough. This is the perfect size for a working desk, and it's very good at productivity. Now, if you're gonna game on it, just keep in mind that this is a 60 Hz monitor. So if you're okay with that, you're not a hardcore gamer, 60 Hz is perfectly fine. But if you are looking for a dedicated gaming monitor, then this one is not optimized for that. This one is optimized for productivity with the IPS display and 4K at 32 inches. This is an awesome monitor right here.